Unboxing video for Hikvision camera model DS2CD2185 FWD-I. Box has been unsealed. Opening of lid reveals drill template. Used to drill mounting holes. Brochure, instructions, and marketing literature. Software with configuration information. Mounting ring used to mount camera to conduit assembly. Toolkit and cleaning cloth used to adjust camera, being that this is a dome type camera, and screws used to mount camera to conduit. Cleaning cloth use each is obvious. Weatherproof enclosure for network cable. Mounting assembly for drywall with anchors. Position stabilizer reveals camera assembly. Network connection cord RJ45 type. Camera is powered by PoE. If such is not available, here is an auxiliary power input for power when PoE is not available. Removing camera from package. Camera has protective foam covering. Note design features of camera. Mounting hole secure to wall or to bracket. Notch for external cable routing. Barcode and serial number for easy pairing with host and VR. Camera dome assembly has protective plastic overwrap. Recommend removal upon installation of unit. Camera assembly is possible when dome is removed. Standby for dome removal.